Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to show you what we plan to do here in this room. As you can see, it's empty. We still are working in the walls, in the roof, but we have some wooden projects for this room that I want to show you, and we are starting today, so stay tuned. So as you can see, it's a very small room, and we're going to make three things. First, we're going to make something for here, this door and the other door. So here we have to make something. We want to create something that will go from there to there. So each time you have to walk here, you don't have to make all these steps. And here we have to remake this door because, as you can see, this is not okay. And we have to make a new frame, and we are going to make a new door. And in this door we have to make a new frame because this frame is too big, and because we want to put the door frame and the door here in this wall, not outside. So we have to make a new frame and then cut the side of the door so that it fits the new frame. So this is the work that we are going to begin now.